Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your nickname in Discord. So let's suppose you are in a server, then you want to change your nickname to something, then how are you going to do it? So let me tell you this, if somebody owns the server or if somebody is the modder of the server, they can give you a nickname if they go to the settings. If they click here on the arrow next to server name and then go to the server setting, and then if they scroll down into the members section, and then here if there are members they can click, and then they will see an option here called edit, and they can edit and change a nickname. But if you want to do it yourself, then here is how you're going to do it. In the chat, what you need to do is type forward slash, and after that type in nick, and after that put a space and add your name. Let's say I say alpha and press enter. Now it's alpha, so if I say hello and press enter, you see my name shown up here as alpha. So if you are not the modder in any server, then what you need to do is type in forward slash nick and a space, and then after that your nickname. So the bot will remember you with that nickname. So every time you type in some message, it will show you with that nickname. So I can go and say something else like, let's say I'm gonna go with video and press enter. So as you can see, the old message name also got changed because now my nickname is video. So this is how you can change your name or your nickname on a Discord server. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it does, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Peace.